Jamaica. A long clock I never had. But when I hear the rooster crowing, they tell me that a new day is dawning. Then I'm walking down the street, that gave me a good feeling. Cause everyone we meet on the street is telling us a bright good morning. Then I see the sun start rising, then I hear the birds start singing, then I hear the music start playing. They tell me that there's gonna be a beautiful day in Jamaica. Hey, it's a beautiful place to be, Jamaica. Hey, it's a place for you to go from anywhere where it's snowing. Yes, come to Jamaica. It's the land of paradise. And from the mountain to the valley, to the city, to the beach, plenty to do and plenty people to meet in Jamaica. Hey, oh, beautiful, the beautiful Jamaica. Hey, hey. People wonder why we are so blessed. It's the prayer of your forefathers. They put it in a song and they share it throughout the nation. This is what it said. Eternal Father, bless our land. Lord, guide us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free, Lord, from all evil power, and keep us like Lord through countless hour. Through our leaders and great defenders, Lord, grant us true wisdom from above. Oh, good God, that hear and answer that the prayer was rooted and founded in the foundation. Jamaican, we are blessed. More than imagine. More than imagine, yeah. More than imagine. Yeah. They say Grenada is the island of the spice. Is that alright? Jamaica, you know we got the flavor, and it permeates the whole Caribbean. We talk about the rhythm and the beat. We talk about the food that we eat. We come up with a deadly combination, and it started a great taste bud explosion. We talk about the ackee and the saltfish, and the young lads with 2 slices of bread. We talk about the nice curry food, and we know with some plain steamed white rice. We talk about those lovely beef patty. You squeeze that between the cocoa bread, and when you finish wrap that down, the yet you have to wash it down with some cool cola champagne. We talk about your pork and the chicken. Lord, we can't compare that with anything. You near me down with piece of hard no bread, and you just near me down Lord with just plain nothing. We talk about the escabis fish, that should be a part of the national dish. Taste so good, Lord, with 2 pieces of the mammy. If you know you near me, cause you might bite your finger. That is just a touch of the flavor. Coming from the island Jamaica, it's just a touch of the flavor. Coming from the island Jamaica, don't forget about the beer and the white fruit, Stramba, Irish mash and the linseed. Don't forget about the rungo soup, the one we call manish water. We save it with the prata. Come to Jamaica, it's a beautiful place to be, Jamaica. Hey, it's a place for you to go from anywhere where it's snowing. Just come to Jamaica.